Huh. Huh.
What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid-fade on one of my cousins, so stay tuned. We started off by grabbing a few hair ties and pinning up his hair. We then switched over to our 3-guard all the way closed and debulked the sides. You want to make sure you use your opposite hand to hold down any flyaway or long hairs that you don't want to cut. Now that we're done debulking the sides and cleaning up our canvas, we can switch over to our Goat FX and create our first guideline. You always want to make sure you contour the first guideline to their head shape. Always remember to use your opposite hand to stretch the skin when needed. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated, man. Thank you. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We're going to use the same guard and the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done with the 1 guard and the line is soft enough, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now we're moving on to the 2 guard all the way open. Since we debulked the sides with the 3 guard all the way closed, the 2 guard all the way open using the flick out motion is going to blend right into it. We're also going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that that line is soft enough, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Sometimes there's still a faint line after using the 1.5 guard, so using your 1 guard all the way open and its corners to blend will help you erase those guidelines. Now we're moving on to the 3 guard all the way closed, and we're reassuring the sides, making sure it's a 3. You always want to make sure you're using your comb to lay down the hairs before you run it with the clipper. Before I use my foil shaver, I always make sure I use shave stick. This prevents the client from bumping up. Now that we're done detailing the fade, we can move on to the front line. I usually start off in the middle and work my way to the sides. You want to make sure you're taking your time and going slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. Moving on to the C-cup area, we're starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. Before we finish, we're going to detail the back. Now that we're done detailing, we can move on to the Turkish razor and Derby premium blades and make them as crispy as possible.